What I'm doing and tell you why it's wrong. Alright, now all these batteries are wired individually. I could have ran them all together, 12 to 12 to 12 to 12, positive, 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 like a chain. As long as I didn't go positive to negative, I went positive, 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 negative, 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 it would have been okay. But what I do is I put a strip up there, negative strip, positive strip, and each battery has its own wire going to each strip. Now, that's what I was just doing, hooking this one up to there. So, here's what's wrong. As you can see, we got 5 batteries. 3 of them appear to be the same. One of them is a Group 31, which is a bigger battery, and then the other one is maybe a little bit smaller. If not, it's close to the same. But 1, 2, 3 are about the same. 1, 2, 3. There's a bigger one, and that appears to be smaller. I don't know. I'd have to look. The problem being is when you bank batteries, they should all be the same battery. Because when this charges, it's only going to charge to whatever battery takes the charge first, and then it's going to shut down. It's not going to continue to charge the other batteries because it's going to see that, okay, we have a full charge. So all the batteries are going to neutralize to 1. So for instance, if that small one back there is the battery that this charger is actually seeing, all these batteries are going to charge equal to that battery, if you know what I mean. So when you do these things, it's a good idea to have every battery the same battery. You know, the same size, same type, same whatever, same group, same amp hours, same reserve, everything the same. Because they'll last longer and you'll be getting a lot more out of it if you do it that way. And you'll get more out of it if you use 6-volt batteries and box them together as 12s. And how you do that is you go negative to positive, if you know what I mean. Well, here, I'll show you real quick before I go out. Okay, Chris is going to be coming. If we have a 6-volt battery here with a positive side and a negative side, then we have another one here, negative side, positive side. We can make that 12 volts. We take this positive and we run it to that negative. Now we have a negative and a positive as if we had a 12-volt battery. All we're doing is connecting this negative to this positive together. That makes that a 12-volt battery. And you have, well, I'm just going to say double whatever the amp hours are. So if this is a 200 amp hour battery and this is a 200 amp hour, because it should be the same, all right, now you're going to have 400 amp hours. You're not going to get 400 amp hours out of a 12-volt battery. You follow? So hypothetically, so just pay attention. Now if you have 4 6-volts, well, then you do the same thing. You take your other 6, negative or positive, negative, negative, positive. You go positive to negative, come off it, and there you go. That's a 12-volt battery. Look at it as one battery, 12-volt. Okay? And that's how you do it. If you connect this one to this one to this one to this one, now you're going to have 6, 12, 18, 24-volt battery. You're going to have one here and one here because these are all connected together. Or get 2 12s and do the same as the 2 6s. If you follow me, because I know I'm drifting again. All right, guys. Catch you later.